plus 7 all squared is equal to 9. We want to find the truth set of t. Let's get straight to it. Given t plus 7 all squared is equal to 9. From here, t plus 7 all squared can be written as t plus 7 multiplied by t plus 7 equals 9. That is, t plus 7 is multiplying itself twice. Now let's expand this to take out the bracket here. T times t will give us t squared. T times 7 will give us plus t. 7 times t will give us plus t again. 7 times 7 will give us plus 49. This is equal to 9. From this is giving us t squared. 7t plus 7t is 14t plus 49 equals 9. We are getting a quadratic equation. Therefore, we move all the terms to the left-hand side of the equation, giving us t squared plus 14t plus 49 minus 9 equals 0. Because for a quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. From this, I'm getting t squared plus 14t. 49 minus 9 will give us positive 40 equals 0. We are solving this using the factorization method. You can also solve it using the completing the square method. You can also solve it using the quadratic formula. For now, we'll focus on the factorization method. For the factorization method, what do? We make sure that the value of a, that is the coefficient of the t squared, is 1. In this case, it is 1. So, two numbers, when we multiply, we get 40. When we add, we get positive 14. What are the two numbers? I have 4 and then 10. 4 times 10 will give us 40. 4 plus 10 will give us 14. These two values are going to be substituted in place of the b over here. So this is giving us t squared plus 4t, because we are working with a variable t, plus 10t plus 4t equals 0. From this, we group them. So I have one grouping here, I have another grouping here. For the first group, you take the common factor out. So the common factor in the first group is t. So t comes out. T squared, I have 1t left. Plus 4, that is 4t. T is taken out, I have 4 left. Plus 10 can go into 10, 10 can go into 40. So the common factor here is 10. Now with 10 taken out of the bracket, what is left here is t. That is dividing 10t by 10. Then dividing 40 by 10, I have plus 4 over here equals 0. This is giving us t plus 4. That is this and this. Then I have t plus 10 equals 0. We have t, so you have to solve this and get a value of t. Taking the first bracket, I have t plus 4 equals 0. This is giving us t equals 0 minus 4, t equals minus 4. Taking the second bracket, I have t plus 10 equals 0. This is giving us t equals 0 minus 10, t equals minus 10. So I have t being equal to minus 4, t being equal to minus 10. But the question is demanding for the truth set. Therefore, we use a set notation. This is a set notation. T is such that t is equal to minus 4 and minus 10. See you on the next one.